Hello friends, welcome to toothscorner.com videos. Today let's talk on removal of lectin from oats. These are anti-nutrient lectins which have been linked to obesity, chronic inflammation and autoimmune illness by the popular media and diet books. When it comes to plant-based meals, lectin is more common in uncooked legumes like beans and cereals like wheat than in any other kind of plant. Plant meals rich in lectin such as oats and various variations of oatmeal are among the most dominant. Lectins have the greatest potency when consumed uncooked, however, this is rare occurrence. Lectins cannot be broken down by the body's digestive enzyme, therefore, they may simply pass through the stomach undisturbed. Therefore, lectin should be removed from oats. Removal of lectin from oats. Heating. Heating removes the lectin content in oats, therefore oatmeal cooked with thumb may have a reduced lectin level. Heating in water over a lengthy period of time may make lectins harmless, because lectins are water soluble and are washed away when food is exposed to water. Soaking. Soaking is another effective way to remove lectins from oats. Fermentation. Fermenting food may also remove lectin levels in oats. During the fermentation process, friendly bacteria consume anti-nutrients, removing lectins up to 95%. Stewing. Stewing removes most of the lectin in food, making it less able to adhere to cells or bind to other substances. Food high in lectins should not be omitted from a person's daily diet. Lectins may be decreased or removed when food is heated correctly, making it safe to consume. It's becoming clearer from scientific researches that removal of lectin from oats is necessary for the health of human beings. Thank you for watching. Please like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.